Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on Messenger notification. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the chats section, people, and lastly, stories. So right now, in order to be able to turn on Messenger notification, just go to the top left corner. Here you're gonna find this sandwich icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it right here, next to your name in the right, you're gonna find this gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your notifications. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find preferences. Here under preferences, you're going to find avatar, notifications and sound, privacy and safety, and so on. So right now, I'm going to click on notifications and sounds. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So I'm going to turn off my notifications just to show you guys how it will look like. So basically, guys, if your notifications are off, this is how they will look like. So if you want to turn your notification on, just click right here and then it will be enabled. Right here, you're going to find some settings for your notifications. As you can see, guys, right here, you can customize your notifications. Here, you're going to find new friend notification, vibrate on ring, in-app sounds, notification previews, groups in Android Auto. So you can customize all of your notifications as you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.